Hey guys, how y'all doing? Thank you for my 400 subscribers. I'm so happy. I love the fact that you guys love my content. I basically do reviews, I have lifestyle vlogs, I have a lot of things, basically the whole shebang. I have a lot more coming in soon. But yeah, today we have another review. We have the Starburst review. This is a form of this is a candy. There are different flavors in there, and this is basically what the pack looks like. So yeah, we're gonna be digging into this. It's your girl Nutella Dinero, and as usual, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Your girl is so grateful. I love the fact that you guys have been interacting with me in the comments. I've been seeing your comments and I've been responding to them. And yeah, feel free to hit me up in the comment section and let's get reviewing. Okay, so this is the pack right here. This is the take home size. It's the Starburst Candy, and this is the original. It says it has 8 servings here, 8 portions, and the flavors in are cherry, orange, strawberry, and lemon. So this is the back of the pack. The strawberry is pink, the lemon is yellow, the orange is orange, and the cherry is red. We're gonna be testing all of those, and these are just the ingredients here. You guys can take a screenshot of that because I can't get everything at once. But okay, it has sugar, it has corn syrup, it has apple juice from concentrate. Wow, that's gonna be amazing. It actually has apple juice in there. It has hydrogenated palm kernel oil, citric acid, tapioca dextrine, gelatin, modified cornstarch, natural and artificial flavors, Aldura red, tetrazine, sunset yellow FCF, and brilliant blue FCF. Yeah, I just had to mention all of those because of the fact that I can't really get all the ingredients at once in, like, you know, I'm trying to stretch it out. Okay, so you guys can take a screenshot, but yeah, just take note of, yeah, but these are the nutrition facts here. For every 8 pieces, that is what you get. And then yeah, more nutrition facts over there. Okay, so we're gonna be opening this right away. So yep, I'm gonna tear it from here. And look at that. Ooh, that's everything there. Starburst original, and we're just gonna count them up real quick. Alright, so I counted 67 in the pack, and yeah, this is the orange one. There is the orange one there. This is the cherry. Cherry. This is lemon. And then oops, I think we skipped out on one. Strawberry. Yep. All right, we're gonna be testing these. All right, so I opened up the different flavors. You guys have seen them. Now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna be exploring those flavors. You're gonna be testing each and every one of them, and I'm excited. I'm excited, of course. All right, so we're gonna start with the orange one. This is the orange flavor, and I have the open one right here. Oh my god. I didn't know if you're supposed to chew these or like just, you know, lick them till they get done in the mouth, but I'm chewing mine because I'm supposed to do a review and I'm supposed to tell you guys what they taste like, so I have to chew it. Wow. Alright, so first of all, oh my goodness. Guys, you get that nice soft gooiness to it. It's a very nice soft and gooey and chewy. Then you get that burst of flavor. It just like oranges. I get like that nice burst of oranges in there. It's a bit tangy, it's a bit sour, but the sourness is like, it's like a 3 to 4. And overall, I got the orange flavor. It is sweet. I love the sugar in there. The sugar is just balanced perfectly. And this is really, really nice. I love the fact that it's also soft. So, yep, tasty. Oh, and I must warn you guys that this actually sticks to your teeth. So if you're gonna chew it, you must have very good teeth. Yep. Okay. Next up, we're gonna be doing the cherry. Red is the cherry. Testing the cherry now. And you get the cherry flavor in there. It's a nice tangy cherry flavor. It's very packed with a very nice natural cherry flavor in there. It's soft and gooey and chewy. It's just perfect. Just like a cherry, and just like cherry juice. I love how you're getting the natural flavors from this, and yep. We're gonna be testing the next one. Yeah, so next up we're gonna be testing the strawberry one, the pink one. Wow. It tastes just like strawberry juice. Just a little bit tangy this time. Perfectly sweet. Actually, you guys, it tastes like a yogurt kind of sweet. If you guys know those yogurt lollipops, how they taste like, the fruity yogurt, that's how this tastes like. Just like a fruity yogurt. And this one is like a fruity strawberry, you know, juicy yogurt sweet. It's just perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, this actually has the strawberry flavor in there. Heavy. The sugar is just perfect. It's not too sweet. It's just balanced properly with the sugar. And finally, we're gonna be testing the lemon one. The yellow is the lemon. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if they added a bit of the lemon peel in there, but this has the full lemon flavor. It has the real lemon flavor, guys. I'm not even joking right now. It actually has the actual lemon flavor in there. Woo. Wow. Perfect amount of tanginess, the perfect amount of that sour taste to it, perfect amount of sugar. The flavors are just bursting forth, and I just love how the Starburst, it's like, yeah, it literally busts the flavors in your mouth. Woo! Starburst is amazing. I love it so much. And take out all of this here. I'm gonna be having these all the way till Christmas. I'm joking, I have sisters to share with, so we have to share them. But yeah, I love the fact that the Starburst in fact is packed individually in these nice little papers that are easy to tear off. I love the fact that it's nice and gooey and chewy, and most of all, I love the fact that it actually, you get to feel those actual flavors. You know how some candy you don't get to feel the natural flavor in it? With Starburst, you're getting the natural flavor in it, and that's the winner for me. That's the topper of it for me. Anyway, guys, before I get all jittery and stuff, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below and hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what other candy you want me to try out, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Mwah.